I made it. Whew. I set my alarm at 4:30, but I couldn't wake up. And finally I woke up at 5, and then I very quickly got ready so I will be able to make it. But just look at this, you guys. Oh my god, how wonderful. You can see all the islands. That's so crazy. And I haven't done this for more than 4 years, maybe 5. I never get up for sunrise. And really now I don't understand why not. Oh my god, I'm so happy I came up here. It's just so wonderful. Really. This light. Oh my god. Amazing. The roosters are going completely crazy. They have to wake up everybody. As I packed my things and left this beautiful spot to head home, I thought I would go back to sleep, but the magic of the morning had filled me with so much energy. So I decided to embrace the day and started with a simple, beautiful breakfast. The serenity of the breathtaking sunrise stayed with me for the rest of the day. In moments like these, I'm reminded of the simple joys and the beauty that surrounds us every day. I hope you all enjoyed sharing this sunrise with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.